Hey guys, welcome back to the ConfermentRM YouTube channel. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Getting ourselves back into the 2-minute technicals video looking at Bitcoin. And as you guys can see, we did get our breakout to the upside. We had a little fake out, holding ourselves on the 0.5 Fibonacci around 26,630. But as you guys can see, we had a full target we were looking for that would have had to come in to around 26,519. Go over here to the 1 hour chart. I wonder if we have any supports here. No, maybe it's on the 1 day. No, I mean, it didn't really have a support in between. So interesting that it bounced off right in the middle, but came back up and now has wicked to the top of our channel here, exactly hitting around $27,530. And you can see right now it is condensing below it. What's interesting is we go here on the 1 day, you can see that that's exactly kind of what we expected, because we fell from our channel downwards and held on the 100-day moving average, came back up, kind of converged and hit the 20-day and 50-day moving averages correspondingly. So what can happen right now is we were talking about our final wave, kind of continuing downwards. Right here would be a good time to start actually pushing down to that target. You have your ABC, the ABC downwards. So that's what I'm expecting. Nonetheless, that's for this weekend. That's for Sunday. I believe this is what happens. Yeah, Sunday into Saturday. So that's what we're looking at. So I'm going to kind of judge for, I guess the confluence I'm going to look for here is actually getting up above here around $27,564 and getting excuse me guys, getting wedged between that and around 27,680. And actually seeing if we can break through the 20-day and the 50-day moving averages, because then we can get ourselves onwards up there to around that, top of the region around $30,141. But at this point, I don't know if that's necessarily going to come in as an actual thing, and it makes more sense to move down in 3 waves here, because you got your 1, 2, and then 3 downwards, which would actually be down here too around the 25. So just my thoughts, just my analysis. But if we are to zoom in back in on the 4-hour chart, you can see here that right here on the bottom floor here, this is a long ceiling, a long floor before, now turned as a ceiling. It would make sense for it to reject from here, and you'd follow that same sort of trajectory downwards. You could technically, if you really wanted to, give ourselves a line like this across the top. And you can see that it just kind of meanders itself sideways. You can go on the bottom here. You can do across the side, just like this, if you really wanted to. And you can see it comes up to around the same date. Let's see. It'd be from this. It'd be from here onwards. Yeah, it would be around the same time. It'd be around that Saturday, Sunday move. But we can look at the volume profile. That's probably a good idea. There isn't much volume here for us to really worry about. It looks like we did break up to around, what is this level? Is this where we think it is? Around this 50, 60 level. All right. Well, we're going to be in a very pivotal moment right now then too as well, because we're around that 60 on the RSI. So either we get through here with conviction and start heading back up to that 30K region, and we get up to this higher trend line right here, which is around, actually, it'll be around that $29,000 price level. Or we just reverse, because you can see on the bottom side here that we are condensing. So this could be proven to be quite interesting here. It looks like right here we're right now poking above this channel, but we're gonna have to see it solidify, because it's quite overextended at the moment from this by quite a bit. So I'm gonna want to see a clear breakthrough $27,500 and actually get above the 27,680, so 27,700, to really kind of gauge if we can actually start breaking to the upside. But at the moment, if it starts reversing here, we're looking at that $25,000 price level by this weekend perhaps. But hope you guys are having a good one. Remember, none of it's financial advice, and hope you guys have a good rest of your morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are, and let's just see how the rest of the day and week pans out. As you guys know, the last wave can be the most volatile, so it could do this all at last second right here and go right down. Have a good one, guys.